My name is Thomas Mcgowan and I'm the president of Engineered Yacht Solutions. Our primary concentration is on metal fabrication and welding and plumbing and pipe fitting. Currently we have 60 plus technicians in 3 locations in 2 states. We also have a huge back office staff and support team. Primary objective at Engineered Yacht Solutions is at happy customers. We're looking for a lifetime relationship that builds careers for our employees and a fantastic support system for the vessels and crew themselves. Savage Global Marketing has helped take Engineered Yacht Solutions to the next level when it comes to our social media and online presence. I think the biggest thing and the most fun thing for me is the commercials and the ads that we've made with them. For people like us that don't make videos or don't do acting or don't get in front of the camera too much, and having a full day of production, making fun stuff to illustrate the capabilities of our business, the online stuff, the website help, the ad building, the social media platform building. They're experts everywhere, but that's where they really help us grow.